Very good morning, friends and traders. I'm Nannakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. In my previous video, Mastering Chart Patterns as well as Weekly Template, I discussed about the off-Batman pattern and trap and reverse. So, how even in my previous video, 7-step routine, how you can make weekly template and identifying the powerful patterns will set up for reversal strategy and you can have a parabolic profitable trade in the market. So I wanted to show you, I had discussed about the Marico stock, identified the Batman pattern, off Batman pattern over here. This was on 10th January, Friday. You can ask me what is the Batman pattern, off Batman pattern, or the Batman pattern. They are not, they resemble like the M pattern or double top pattern, but the difference is there will be volatility spikes in the market. You can see over here, it was a spike in the market on the 10th of January. This is the first candle spike and then series of red candles, consolidation and another spike, deep spike. After that, the market underwent through consolidation. This is a famous forex pattern which is recognized in the market. The difference between the double top or M pattern is they will have volatility spikes. This is a volatility spike which has happened in the market and then it had gone for a consolidation. I had recognized this pattern. This is a powerful reversal pattern and I had mentioned that you can go for it will lead to a reversal to the target of 654 or 648. I had mentioned in that video. You can see for yourself the same thing. Let me change it to 15 minutes time frame so that, okay, 1 minute. Let me reset the chart. It's not possible. Resetting. Okay. Yeah, I'm resetting this. So I had shown, you can see clearly, these are the volatility spike. I had mentioned you can go back to, I'm going to attach that video, Mastering Chart Patterns. You can go to that video and look into that. This is the proof. See, I identified this pattern and I made video. This is a powerful reversal pattern which happened and it continued towards the target, more than the target. I anticipated for the 654 to 600. That's what I mentioned in my video. It had come down to 648. You can see there. So in this chart itself, I had identified two profitable patterns. Let me hide this template so that you can see properly. This is trap and reverse pattern and off Batman pattern. When these two patterns occurred, this is a very profitable reversal trade from when it occurred from 623, it rallied up to 678. That is almost 9%, 9 to 8%. Yeah, 9% rally you can see within 2 days. This is very, very powerful because it is nothing but liquidity sweep. Stop loss hunting, liquidity sweep. That's why it reversed, so you can see the imbalance, and after that we identified the trap and reverse. This is also a profitable setup. Once you see this setup, you can go for a reversal trade. How to enter into this setup? See, for example, when you identify the setup, you can, this is the volatility spike and a consolidation breakdown. You can enter here aggressive entry immediately after the breakdown, or you can wait for the retest confirmation and failure. This will be the best entry. You can see if you would have entered aggressively in this entry, you could have been stopped out because of this. So best entry would have been here around second retest. You can see the parabolic down move on 14 January, and later it went into consolidation for another 15th, and there was a drop down to the level of 648. And again, this stock is showing a same reversal pattern, trap and reverse. It has trapped all these stop losses. I mean, the rounded bottom formation, consolidation pattern. The people might have gone long in that. It has trapped this liquidity, and there was a swift movement, and there is liquidity, static liquidity available over here. It has been set already from the institutional players. The stop loss, they engaged the retail traders, and it has taken the liquidity and it has come down. This has closed like this. So for this recognition of this setup, you need to have a 7-step routine for high performance trade, that is making a weekly template. Let me enable my indicator. So if I do this, you can see this has happened weekly template, Monday, Tuesday, on Wednesday, there was a trap and reverse. And after the Wednesday, Thursday was a parabolic up move and continued on the Friday. And then it was a reversal pattern. We have seen on the off Batman pattern, that is a reversal. Then you can go for the reversal trade, and it was also profitable. Again, this stock is exhibiting the same type of trap and reverse on which day? Thursday. Thursday, you have got this trap and reverse pattern. No. Friday, you have got this. So, end of the week, it has shown a trap and reverse, and it has closed near. We need to see. So, for this combination of this pattern, what we are going to see for the RSI overbought and RSI oversold, and also we are going to see RSI divergence, and we are going to utilize TWAP for our confirmation and our entry trade. So let me disable this weekly template so that it will be clarity on the chart. Let me enable RSI for this trade. Okay, well, yeah. If I enable the RSI, you can see in trap and reverse, RSI oversold. You are not going to see any divergence or anything. This is a quick snapback. So you are not going to get anything like that, RSI divergence. Here, RSI in oversold position, it has trapped the liquidity beneath this and it has reversed. That is on Thursday. Okay. When it comes to this reversal pattern, you are seeing RSI spike to the overbought condition 81.82, and then when it has formed the off-Batman pattern spike, volatility spike, here in this area, even the double top formation RSI showing divergence. When it is making an higher high, you are seeing a divergence in the RSI. So those are the identification for our trade. And already it is weekend, Friday template. This move, trap and reverse, started from the Wednesday. In our weekly template, it made a peak low and it made a peak high on Friday. And this pattern appeared on the market with the help of even RSI showing oversold position, RSI divergence, RSI in overbought and oversold condition, and we are seeing for this pattern trap and reverse and as well as the off pattern. This is the pattern which is recognized very frequently in forex market. Even in our market also, equity, we are able to see, identify this pattern. Suppose if you make a seven-step routine, like a weekly template, and if you combine it with the RSI readings, RSI divergence, RSI overbought and oversold things, you can identify this pattern, trap and reverse, as well as off Batman pattern. Even I'm going to show you some other patterns like M pattern, W pattern. These are all seen in the market with the weekly template. With combining with the overbought or oversold condition, you can become profitable. Today in Nifty, let me go back to the Nifty indices. Remove drawings. Then, so let me enable the weekly template, or otherwise I'm going to show it to you. This was Monday. You can see there was an oversold RSI. From that, RSI became overbought condition, went into that 70 here. You are not getting any pattern over here. And RSI made higher high and it started coming down. You can see over here, I had already discussed in my Nifty levels video. Every day I post it. In that video, I had mentioned there is double bottom formation, equal lows, and a stage was set to sweep this liquidity. So immediately when market started coming down, then it came down, it swept the liquidity. There was a swift movement in the market. This is trapped the liquidity and it has reversed. Friday, we are seeing this pattern. These are the powerful patterns. If you recognize in your trading, it will be helpful in the market. Okay. Probably market may continue further. It can even go down. We need to see how the market works. That I'm going to analyze in my routine video, Nifty levels with the wicks and everything. Detailed analysis I'm going to post here. Here, same type of presentation was there on Thursday. It was a volatility spike, gap up spike, and then this was the spike while closing. It is also just resembling the half Batman pattern. Consolidation in between and a spike before closing. Big green candle. You can see if I measure this candle, the range of the candle you can see it's a 56 points. Single candle presenting with a 56 point, that is a volatility spike. This was also a volatility spike. So it made a volatility spike resembling the half Batman pattern. It's like an Batman. This is the 2 years of the Batman, and this is the head. Consolidation in between. It came down and swept the liquidity, trap and reverse. It trapped all the sellers. Probably sellers might have, you can see the big candles over here coming down and then sweeping the liquidity and reverse, trap and reverse. So you can see both the patterns even on the Nifty within 2 days. Even in Marico, if I go to the Marico, within a day, you have seen these two patterns. Range was very huge. See, trap and reverse. The same day, it was on a Wednesday, parabolic up move. On Friday, half Batman pattern. So if you master these patterns, you will become profitable. So this half Batman pattern or the Batman pattern characterized by the volatility spikes. You need to see sudden spikes in the market and consolidation and reversal. And you have to combine with RSI overbought or RSI oversold position to see for the templates, reversal templates, and you can trade with that. So if you do this routinely, you can recognize even, you can apply this template for all the stocks and you can recognize which stock is going to give you a reversal in the market. So you can become profitable by utilizing this, analyzing this, going through that. So let us quickly go through some stocks. 1 minute. Not many. Let me check whether any stock is fitting. As I had labeled some stocks for the yes, HCL or which stock I can't recollect. Yes. Yes. Here we have seen this pattern in HCL Tech. Trap and reverse pattern occurring on the Friday. See, it has also trapped the RSI level, sweep down because it is a dividend day and it has been reversed. RSI has climbed over. This is a reversal pattern. If you track this stock, you can do that. You just, for a learning purpose, track this stock. You can get a parabolic up move on Monday and Tuesday. You can anticipate for this. The market going up to 1837, we can anticipate for the. Even here also, you can see the same pattern reversal pattern over here. It was on Batman pattern. It was on Wednesday. A volatility spike, gap up, came down, consolidation. This is a perfect Batman pattern, and another volatility spike, and it has reversed parabolic down move within a single day and trap and reverse on Friday. So market will try to go up. You can anticipate for 1837 in the HCL technology. You can observe for this pattern. Like this, you can identify few stocks and you can track and master this powerful patterns, reversal patterns, and you have to do 7-step routine weekly template for this. You combine with RSI, look for the divergences, RSI oversold and RSI overbought condition. And if you locate this, within a single day, you can locate some setups which are very profitable. In that, you need not trade daily. You can track, you can make the template. Whenever it happens, you can go for reversal trade, short trade, or a buy trade. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalakshi Swami signing off.